You ever tell yourself, just 5 more minutes, and suddenly 5 hours have passed? You have tasks waiting, a workout you promised yourself you'd do, a project that's due, but instead, you refresh your feed one more time. Some people wake up at 5 a.m., hit the gym, and conquer their to-do list before breakfast. What makes them different? Were they born with more willpower, more motivation? They've simply cracked the psychology of action, and today, so will you. Laziness isn't about being weak, it's about how your brain is wired. Let's break it down. Why do we feel lazy? Dopamine addiction. Your brain loves instant gratification. That's why TikTok feels great, but studying feels like torture. Decision fatigue. Too many choices exhaust your brain, making simple tasks feel overwhelming. The comfort loop. Your brain prefers comfort over effort, so it tricks you into resting. Your brain rewards easy, fast pleasure. But that pleasure fades. What lasts? The things you actually do. The hidden costs of laziness. What laziness does to your body and mind. Weak muscles and poor posture. Sitting all day leads to back pain and a hunchback. Brain fog and low energy. The less you move, the more sluggish you feel. Increased anxiety and stress. Avoiding tasks doesn't remove stress, it multiplies it. Laziness doesn't just steal your time, it steals your potential. So let's take it back. How to overcome laziness. 1. The 2-minute rule. Big tasks feel impossible, so shrink them. Tell yourself, I'll just do this for 2 minutes. Too lazy to work out? Just do one push-up. You'll likely keep going. Can't clean your room? Just fold one shirt. Momentum will follow. Don't feel like working? Just write one sentence. Action beats waiting for motivation. 2. Move before you think. Thinking is where laziness wins. The moment you hesitate, your brain starts making excuses. So move first, then think. You don't need to feel motivated, you just need to move. 3. Make laziness difficult. Make laziness inconvenient. If you want to stop snoozing your alarm, put it across the room. If you want to stop wasting time on social media, delete the apps before bed. 4. The reward system. Your brain loves rewards. Use this to your advantage. Work for 30 minutes, then watch YouTube guilt-free. Finish a workout, reward yourself with a smoothie. Declutter your space, buy yourself a small treat. When work leads to pleasure, your brain stops resisting it. 5. Identity shift. Words shape reality. Stop saying, I have to study. Start saying, I am a focused person who enjoys learning. When your habits align with your identity, laziness disappears. Are you ready to change your life? Laziness isn't a personality trait, it's a habit, and you have the power to change it. Which tip are you trying first? Drop a comment below. Every click brings us closer. Subscribe for more stories.